Welcome to Auto Car Zone. Today, we're reviewing the Maruti Suzuki Jimny after 15,000 kilometers. Let's talk about its performance, mileage, and maintenance. The 1.5L petrol engine delivers decent power but isn't the fastest. It's smooth for city driving and capable off-road. The 4x4 system performs well on rough terrain. The gearbox is refined but could use more punch on highways. In the city, it gives around 12 to 14 km/L, while on highways, it reaches 16 to 18 km/L. Off-road mileage drops, depending on terrain. Regular servicing costs around 4,000 to 6,000 Indian rupees. No major issues so far, but brake pad wear is noticeable. Suspension remains solid, and no rattling noises. The Jimny is reliable, fun to drive, and perfect for adventure lovers. Worth buying if you need a compact off-roader. Like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next video.